Hey everybody, this is Energetic Waist Beads back again with another Create With Me video. And this set right here, y'all, it is one of my favorite strands. I call her Muva Earth, not Mother Earth, Muva Earth. Yes, you see her. This is my setup for her. I use a variety of crystals and gemstones. Ammonite fossil is one of the main gemstones on this waist bead. It also has green garnet, it has hematite and bronzite crystals. Alright, so sit back and relax. We got our vibes going. We're about to create our crystal waist beads, and stay tuned to the end so you can see the final design. As you can see, my creative process is very intense. My creative table always looks like this anytime I'm working on a waist bead or a new project. I just have to see all my colors and have everything laid out for me. I don't know, I think my brain just responds to it better this way, and it works for me. And this is her, Muva Earth. And she is available on my website, energeticwaistbeads.com. Like always, I thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please like this video if you found it entertaining. Until next time, bye.